Today in this video, I show you how to open YouTube audio library on Android phone. For this, you have to open YouTube. Now click on profile or you and then click on settings icon. Now scroll down to find help and policy. Click on help. Tap on search help. Now type audio library and click on it. Now select this use music and sound effects from the audio library. Now click on youtube.com/audio library. Click on continue to studio. Again click on continue. Now you will find all the YouTube audio library. Like this, if you want to download any music or sound effects, just select the one you want and click on this date underneath edit section. You can see my music is downloaded from YouTube audio library. So this is how you can open YouTube audio library on Android phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.